Hi guys, today I will show you how to install N8N on VPS. So connect to your VPS first, use SSH to connect. Type in this command, that is SSH username @ your VPS IP. Then update system packages. So on Ubuntu or Debian, you can use this text, that is sudo apt upgrade -y. Now, you can install node.js and npm. So install node.js, that is recommended version for 18+. Now, you can copy this text and paste it, then install node.js. Then install N8N globally. So type in this command and you'll be able to install the N8N globally. Optionally, you can set up environment variables for authentic security. So for basic authentication, create a .env file in your home directory or export variables before running N8N. So you can also export variables for database, webhook URL, etc. as needed. Then you can start N8N. So to start in foreground, N8N, to keep it running in the background, use a process manager like PM2 like this. Now, optionally, you can set up a reverse proxy for HTTPS. So install nginx, then type in this text and then configure your nginx server block to forward traffic to N8N and set up SSL with let's encrypt if desired. Then access N8N. So go to this domain or your domain name in your browser and log in with your credentials if you enabled basic authentication. And N8N is now running and ready to automate workflows on your VPS. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.